Well, this is it. Quarantine Chronicles Day 1, whole new series for the next 2 weeks. And man, I'm excited. We are, if you don't know, but you probably will, Debbie and Ellen and I are back on the place I was born. It's an island called the Isle of Man. And lived here for 30 years. We left in 1995. And so 26 years since we lived here. We're living here for probably some time. And the reason we're here is not a holiday, not a vacation. We're here to spend some exceptionally wonderful family time with Deb's folks. And yeah, I'll talk about that another time, but that's why we're here. So, traveled, first flight in over a year. Fascinating. I'm going to write a blog today about what it's like to travel under pandemic, and Air Canada were just fantastic. And we're here, we're in a cottage. Just so many amazing coincidences that put this whole trip together. And even the property manager of this holiday complex, we knew from way back, good friend of Debbie's and mine. So I'm excited for that. And the upshot is, hey man, we have to quarantine now for 14 straight days. We have to go COVID test in about an hour for our first one, and then day 7 and then day 13, and providing all 3 are negative, we can leave. But certainly from between now and day 7, we can't leave at all except for go from here to our car, which my brother lent me, and then from our car to the testing station. They do the test in the car through your window, and then straight home again. That's all we can do. We can't leave. Not even supposed to be outside, although there's a tiny little deck area, which I think is okay. So that's the deal, and we're excited to be here. It was a fabulous adventure getting here. It was seamless. All the paperwork we had put together was fantastic. Air Canada were great. The Manx border control were fantastic. Everybody was fantastic. So got a shave. It's been a day and a half, and yeah, hope you're doing well. I'm gonna spend a lot more time writing and sharing because I got a lot of time. Got a lot of work that we've put together that I can do from here. The building's got good Wi-Fi, so very grateful for that. And the upshot is, back in the UK time zone, so a lot of my Canadian friends, this is like, I don't know, whatever it is, 1 in the morning? Yeah, I think so. So not many people on my west coast of Canada will be watching this live, I doubt. But anyway, guys, got a shave, and I'm all about multitasking and making stuff happen, as you know. So I'm excited to use that word excited about 8 times today already, and I am. I'm excited to it's a new month. I noticed tomorrow's Groundhog Day. That's kind of interesting. That'll be fun. But man, I'm excited to share the history of what life was like here when I was brought up. And my family history goes back here a long time. We'll talk about that. How I met Debbie. Talk about that. There's so much to talk about for the next few weeks. So stay tuned for lots of stories. And it's going to be fun. I've got a lot of client work that I'll be working from here. Got a workshop that we're doing live end of February, which I'll be doing from the Isle of Man. Got to find an office to rent to do that. Quite a strong possibility. We make stuff happen. Isle of Man, it might well happen. We'll see. If I see a need here in the Isle of Man that we could help with. Wow, I tell you what, the Isle of Man water, it's cold. Didn't appreciate just how much the water out of the tap would be so cold. Wow. So that's the deal. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Les, my goodness, man, you're up late. Quarantine Chronicle Day 1 and shaving all done. I have to get our COVID test. Can't wait for that. And we'll keep writing and learning and sharing, and thanks for joining a journey with us. See you again soon, friends. Bye for now.